Alright guys, so I'm back at it again in my Maverick, and if you see my other videos, you know I've tried a number of different phone mount options for my Maverick, and so they each had their positives, you know, but I don't know if any of them were perfect, because part of the perfect mount for me uses this cubby hole somehow. And they actually worked well, but I kind of wanted it to really work well with the cubby hole, and my last option, I was able to put a mount inside the cubby hole, which actually I did like. But this one, it's going to be a little bit more streamlined. Let me show you what it is. This is Andobil wireless charger. Now, the other one was not a wireless charger. It was magnetic and it went up there. But this one is magnetic and it's a charger. So that's going to be key. So what I want to do, instead of using that arm mount and sticking it on the inside of this, I'm going to use what it came with, and it's this vent thing. They're made to just clip onto your vent like this. And they clamp in really tight, so you know it's really good for that. But since it's this open alligator type clamp, I figure I would be able to clamp it in here. So let me show you what this thing looks like. So it clamps here, and I'm going to clamp it just on the edge of this guy. Show you here. That's the way it looks. I'm going to tighten this up. So here's the way it looks. So it clamps onto this thing, and the way it opens up, it actually fits in that area pretty well. Back to the box, you know, I got this is a charger phone holder, so it'll stick to the back, the magnetic of my iPhone. All right, that's the way the mount looks. I'm gonna take off that thing. Really easy alligator clamp. You don't need to do anything funky like I did in my previous videos to make the other clamps work. So this is going to work out great, and it's going to just hold my phone like that real easy, and it comes off. Okay, so this package comes with the USB-C charging cable, and I do have a USB-C port down here, but I want to use my USB that's in here in my cubby. So what I'm going to do, and that's a regular USB, I guess these are called A, I think. It goes from A to C, and I'm going to plug it in my USB port. And if you're wondering, hey, those cubby holes don't have a USB port, click on the video above there if you want to see that. But I'm going to plug this in, plug that in. So I got this great phone holder like I always wanted, that it was right here, right over the cubby hole. I got wireless charging, that there's no wires dangling. It just goes straight up to my cubby hole. So I think I found my final phone mount.